Hello and welcome to this video, which is part 2 of a series of videos that I'm doing about the time I went to Tokyo in 2012. So we are taking a little trip down memory lane and revisiting my photos and videos from that time that I haven't shared. I will put a link in the description to part 1, which is the introduction, where I tell you why I'm actually sharing this series of videos. A little bit of calpis with me. Samedi 28 juillet 2012. Le soleil se lève tôt, vers 4 heures. Lever vers 8 heures. Départ de la maison 10h40. Là, nous allons faire une capture d'écran peut-être. So, we have some bikes near the house. Environ 10 à 15 minutes jusqu'à Kosuge Station. So let's walk from the house to Kosuge Station. So that's this house from Sakura House. Watch part 1 if you want to know more. So let's walk to Kosuge Station. So basically no videos of that, but you are watching some screen captures. And we turn right. So that's Google Images from 2022. And we have there the train coming there, so that's the station, is on the right. There you go, the shop there. And station of all the bikes. And vending machines there, and the station here. So on that day, I was basically just trying to settle down and trying to get situated, trying to have access to the internet and the Wi-Fi in order to have maps and all that. Arrivé à Shinjuku Station à environ 12h20. Metro's books. How wonderful is that? Okay, I see that my photos right now are in JPEG and they are way too overexposed. That is bad. That's probably around Shinjuku Station. So now, Shinjuku Station, yes. JR, big building there. Especially at that time, like now I have traveled a bit more. I've been to like bigger cities, but at that time, not really. I was 21, I had lived. Yes, I had traveled, but not to like massive cities. That is bad, yeah, that is bad. That's some bad photos. Achat du repas dans un magasin. À Sakura House, d'environ 12h45 à 13h15 pour des questions sur internet et le plan pour Kai School. JR Yamanote Line pour Shinokubo Station. Shinokubo Station. So that's images from Google from September 2023. Oh, look, the line there. And I kind of remember this. It's not really that I remember it, it's more seeing it reminds me of that. Trouver Kai School. So basically I stayed 4 weeks, and for the first 3 weeks I had school in the morning, a Japanese school. So that's Kai Japanese Language School. There you go. Shinjuku Station is there and Kai Japanese Language School. It was a bit of a deal with my mom that she was like, yes, you're going, but then you're going to a school in the morning, which is not something that I would do if I had to do this again, because you're basically wasting half of the day. Puis un peu de shopping. So that was funny stuff written in French. What? Journellement? No, that's wrong. You should say quotidiennement if you want to say every day. Journée. It exists. You're joking. Daily, every day. Yeah, quotidiennement. We actually say quotidiennement or au quotidien, but not journellement. If we want to say something is daily, like a job, we would say à la journée. Être payé à la journée, for example. But journellement, I had never heard. That's maybe why I took the photo. I was like, yeah, journellement, okay. Masks. Those plastic dishes in the restaurant to show you the actual food. That's really great. A temple, I think. Oh yeah, I don't know where that was. Maybe near Shin-Okubo. Little pet store. Environ 14h30, JR Yamanote Line jusqu'à Shinjuku Station. What the fuck is that? Is that for beer? I think that's for beer, like Kirin. It's beer, isn't it? Oh, so cute! That's for construction work. Shinjuku Terrace City, Shinjuku Southern Terrace, Balade, Boutique. That's terrible, it's all JPEG. I don't think there'll be any raw photos. I was really like starting. It's construction things again. La rue électrique, Yodobashi Camera, Big Camera, achat de protection pour appareil photo, jusqu'à 18h environ. So that's, I am guessing that is, it's either Yodobashi, I would say, yeah, that's what's written there, Yodobashi Camera. Some celebrations, that's still in Shinjuku. What's the name? Gachapon? Yeah. I think I only did 2 or 3 of those. Not even sure, maybe just 2. Again, I was just overwhelmed by how many of those and how busy the shop was. Either it was Yodobashi Camera or Big Camera. Oh, filmed. kids playing there. Look at that. There is one gaijin there. And yeah, that's back to the celebrations outside in the street again. As I was watching this, I was sort of like leaning on the side because I was like, you know, like when you're playing a video games where you're like driving a car and you're just... Anyways, yeah. A cool restaurant. Yeah. Music store. Oh, big music store. Retour à la maison à 20h. Mon sac est lourd et je dois l'enlever souvent et impossible de se poser ou s'asseoir. Oh god, that's my face. What do I have to say? Oh, I think I wanted to do like either a tour of my room or a tour of the house, but you can barely hear what I'm saying because I didn't have a microphone or anything. So a tour of the room, let's start by the door. There's of my bedroom with a lock on it. Okay, so that's a cupboard, really big to put everything in there. Really nice. All my things in there, my bags, and oh god, that's a mess. And my futon right there, and the laptop, that was not my laptop, that was my stepfather's laptop. Little desk to do the homework for the school. And yeah, everything I needed in that room basically, even though that was a very like minimalist, traditional. Yeah, 2 windows. And that was a cool thing. There are some things for the mosquitoes, so you can open without having the mosquitoes entering, which is good, especially during the summer because it was so warm and humid. And yeah, the aircon was essential. So this bag, I've sold this bag since then because it was sort of a sports bag for camera equipment, but it wasn't really convenient. It was just too big, so that's what I bought at Big Camera to put the camera inside. I can't stand my voice. Holy shit, I was complaining so much. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I recommend that you watch part 1, which is an introduction, because in this video I'm telling you more about this trip and about why I've decided to take a trip down memory lane. But remember that nothing actually replaces going on adventures, so like try the food, learn the language, and try to visit and to explore and so on. It doesn't have to be to Japan, it can be like in the town next to yours, but you know, that's still an adventure. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Maybe it's about Japan, maybe it's not, who knows?